Y'all know the rap. Check it out. Listen, my name is Bumpy Knuckles. I write that fucking flame and kill for the right price. I got a bucket name, a 40 caliber toothbrush stuck in aim. We roll like 18 wheelers in the trucking game. I'm nice with mics, there's nothing more I like than to paralyze your left side and leave you all right. I'll be laying in front of your crib with techie all night, trying to get them 9mm loaded up tight. Listen, I'm like a Cadillac, I write a battle rap. So smooth contest, you'll be out of that. Y'all know the beef is stewing, cause Bumpy came to ruin. You may be signed, but you don't know what the fuck you doing. I make a hype hot, I make dope raw, and send you higher than a long coat 4-4. You know the only rap pimp that kept a whole paw, and slam a fool on his back and break the whole floor. Yes, y'all, yes, y'all. Don't stop, don't stop on. Once the cops are gone, this is real street spit, you best be warned. Tell your favorite MC the mic is on. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Don't stop, don't stop on. Once the cops are gone.
It's a J Daddy, not Hove or Jam Master. My mic is correct, but y'all know the hands faster. See you bitch rappers, I'm attacking the pound. Y'all be crying foul, cause I'm hacking your style. I make sure you and your man's done. And when I see y'all both drop, I'm the cat screaming and one. See me on the team, dog, you know the game's over. Stones on my wrist and a chip on my shoulder. 16s cashing in on another hot beat. Go cop me a drop with the butterscotch seats, and we butter not meat. If we do, you gon' see a change. Make sure your whole face getting rearranged. We rolling up in the blacked out truck, dog. It's Freddie Fox, now you deal with corrupt mob. It's gas on the fire. Anytime a track played, squad known to beef up the heat, just like the Shack trade.
This my 9 to 5, this ain't no hobby cat. Copycat killers bite styles, my rhyme files is heavy. Give me a beat, man, I body that. Spitting that heat, street raps, man, they nod to that. What you smiling at? You R&B, man, that's hardly rap. You lost the beat, man, you bought a map. Matter of fact, here's my next rap, borrow that. Been off the street too long, I want my corner back. You ain't a player, you an armchair quarterback. You ride the beat like side streets on a flat. Don't play dumb, I know where you came from. You only seen slugs, buddy, after the rain come. Keep it subtle, trademark got you bitch like baby sucking tits. Talking about mommy, let's cuddle. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, you buck down. A quiet cat with a violent rap, what now? You suck, clown.